Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable verbose vendor lagging on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, okay, go to software information. Okay, tap this. In software information, you can see here the build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the developer mode has been turned on. And okay guys, go back and go back again. And now here in settings, you can see here the developer options. Okay, you can see below. So you'll have to do is go to developer options. In developer options, scroll down and go to debugging section. Here in debugging section, you can see here the verbose vendor lagging, and on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the verbose vendor lagging, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this turn on, include additional device-specific vendor lags and bug reports which may contain private informations, use more battery, or use more storage. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled the verbose vendor lagging on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled verbose vendor lagging on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.